Hi there, welcome to Cerp TV. This is Dr. CPN. We continue to look at the technique of integration we call integration by substitution. Now look at what we have here. We have to integrate this. What do we do? First of all, I will come and say, let what I have here, I want to take the whole of this. We are substituting. And like I would always tell you, you move from x to u and then come back again to x. So I simply say let my u be equal to, I want to take the whole of this, be equal to square root of 4 minus x. And this implies that u squared, if you square both sides, u squared becomes equal to 4 minus x. And then if you differentiate both sides, 2u du becomes equal to, differentiate this 0, becomes equal to minus dx. And then we come back again here, we need to get something for x because I'm seeing x here. So if we have, if u squared is equal to 4 minus x, then what that simply implies is that x comes this way, x is equal to 4 minus u squared. Therefore, the integral of 3x divided by square root of 4 minus x dx now simply becomes the same thing like we are integrating 3. What is my x? Look at x here. 3 into 4 minus u squared. Now you notice that the square root of this, the whole of this is my u. The whole of that is my u. So I have divided by u. Then what about the x? Where is the x? From here, notice that dx is equal to minus 2 du. From here, dx is minus 2 du. So I can put a bracket here, minus, not minus 2, minus 2u du. So I have minus 2u du. Then I close. Okay, now notice that minus 2 multiplies 3 to give me minus 6. Which I can bring outside. I have minus 6, then evaluating the integral of 4 minus u squared, and all this is multiplied. There is a u here, multiplied by u, du, all divided by u. Now notice that this u cancels this u. So what is now left simply becomes minus 6 integral of 4 minus u squared, and all of this is happening with respect to u. Beautiful. So this now becomes equal to minus 6 integral of 4. Now, when I integrate, we can do the integration now. I think we can integrate. It becomes minus 6. I open up that. The integral of 4 is simply 4u minus. What then becomes the integral of u squared? It's simply going to be 1 over 3u. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then, of course, we can always add our constant of integration. There is u here, there is u here. So I simply have minus 6u. I open a bracket. If I take out 1u here, what will be remaining will be 4 minus u squared divided by 3. And this plus my constant of integration. And this becomes equal to, I'm taking LCM here. This becomes minus 6u into 3 times 4 is 12 minus u squared, now divided by 3. I close that, and this becomes equal to 6 divided by 3 gives me minus 2. Minus 6 divided by 3 gives me minus 2. So at the end of the day, I simply have minus 2u into, what do we have? We now have 12 minus, this gives me minus 2u, 12 minus u squared, and then I close plus my constant of integration. So if we now go back to substitute, you now discover that this becomes equal to minus 2 into, now what was our u? Remember that u was simply the square root of 4 minus x. So we have minus 2, then this gives me square root of 4 minus x into 12. So I have 12 minus u squared. U squared was simply 4 minus x, because if u squared this, we have 4 minus x. So we have 4 minus x, and then I close that. And this becomes equal to minus 2 square root of 4 minus x. Okay. 4 minus x into 12 minus 4. Minus x will simply give me plus x. Beautiful. Plus a constant of integration, and that simply gives me minus 2 square root of 4 minus x into 12 minus 4 is 8. So at the end of the day, I have 8 plus x plus a constant of integration, and that simply gives me minus 2 into 8 plus x square root, this 8 plus x square root of 4 minus x, then plus a constant of integration as my final answer. So you can see we can go on and on like this forever. Please do well to subscribe to Cerp TV. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Bye-bye.